Hello everyone and welcome to HighTu Tutoring. In advance, I want to apologize for the video recording. I'm currently holding this in my hand, so it's going to be a bit shaky. So hopefully it's not too bad, but yeah, thank you for your cooperation. So today we're going to be talking about precalculus, specifically angles, converting between angles, and degrees. So let's start with some angle vocab. So first we have angles in standard position. Oh shoot, that's kind of hard to read, but that's okay. So what does this mean? So there's two clauses. One is that the vertex of the angle, which is the center where the two rays meet, should be at the origin. So the origin of a coordinate plane. So what is that? That's the coordinate 0, 0 in a coordinate plane. So that's the first criteria. The second criteria is that the initial side goes on a positive x-axis. So basically in an angle there's two sides. We have the initial side, and then we have the terminal side. The initial side is the one that's going to be on the bottom and typically on the x-axis when it's in standard position, and then this is the terminal side, which is essentially just the one that's sticking up. So when this initial side is on the x-axis, let's pretend this is the x-axis real quick. When those two meet, that means it's in standard position. Equals to standard position. Okay, next we have coterminal angles. So what are coterminal angles? Coterminal angles are essentially the angles that share the same terminal side. So as we talked about right here, we have the terminal side right here. And let's say we have two angles like so. We have one angle, both 90-degree angles, and then we have one angle one terminal side for both angles. This essentially means that this angle right here and this angle right here, this is a bad example, sorry. Let's get into another one. So we have essentially this, and let's say this right here. You have two angles right here, which have the initial side because it's at the bottom, and then they have the same terminal ray. This essentially means that this angle and this angle are coterminal, therefore proving that they're coterminal. So, okay, let's get into our next topic. Reference angles. I also want to apologize for the handwriting. Trust me, you'll get better as more videos come. So the definition for a reference angle is the acute angle between the x-axis and the terminal axis, or the terminal side. So we have essentially, this is, let's just say we have an angle at standard position right here. It's like so. Right here, this is the angle. So the reference angle is just going to be between the x-axis right here and then terminal axis, which is right here. So this angle right here is just going to be the reference angle, or RA. Yeah, that's it. So